Setting the tool style. When you work with a tool, how do you know what colors are used? Click on the tool. At the top right, the tool's colors are shown. If I start to draw with the pencil tool, the fill color is green and the stroke pink, with a width of 1 pixel. When I draw another path, the same style applies. I deselect and choose different colors. For example, I click on blue for the fill and shift click on the dark blue for the stroke. This is a style that can be changed continually. I could also choose a set style. To do so, you draw something with colors you want. I use this rectangle, select it, it has no stroke color and the fill color is red. If I want everything I draw to have this style, I double click on the pencil tool button. Now the Preferences dialog opens. Here you see it is set to Last Used Style, which is what we have been using. This tool's own style is a set style. Choose this and click Take from Selection. Now everything I draw gets this style. The pen tool works exactly the same. Double click on the button. Now choose Last Used Style, which you can change all the time, or click on this tool's own style. This video is part of the course Inkscape for Artists. It contains a book, 28 videos, 100 exercises and a PDF of the book. We also have a website, inkscapefriends.com.